Hey, hello, greetings from Ocala, Florida. I'm Mark and this is my 1968 Corvette 427 Roadster. Engine is a later model 454 block with Edelbrock East Street aluminum heads, Edelbrock low-rise intake, Holley 750 double pumper carb, original matching number turbo 400 transmission, has a large Be Cool radiator upgrade, power steering, power brake car, non-AC. Who needs it with a convertible though, right? Just put the top down and cruise, even in sweaty Florida. I bought it locally, found it online from a gentleman that owned it 10 years and he was just ready to move on. And I got it. Always wanted a big block car. So, time for me to enjoy. It needs little minor dress up items, simple stuff. You know, nothing that a credit card and a Corvette Central catalog won't fix, you know. So that's it. Mechanically, the car's been rebuilt. It's probably a couple hundred miles on the motor. Brakes have been upgraded to Willwood calipers, OBX headers. It was restored at some point. I don't know the full background on it. It's showing over 107,000 miles on the odometer. Don't know that to be true. Of course, it's had to roll over. Yeah, I guess it's been repainted, restored at some point. All the bushings, front end, rear end, car drives like a new car, basically. Doesn't need anything serious mechanical wise. Runs good.
And the car has always been in Florida, or did they?
That I don't know the history. Yeah, like I said, I know the last 9 years of the former owner. He purchased it local and he rebuilt the motor. He said the motor was tired when he got it. It was non-matching, of course, motor when he got it. That's really it. It's good quality driver. You know, wouldn't be afraid to show anywhere.